All right, let's go to the left-hand side of our notes. We're on page 466 in our textbook. Write this as a single logarithm. Combine those together. Go ahead and try it. Okay, we're back. If you're adding two different logs, you multiply what's on the inside. So this is log of 14. And if you plug both of those in your calculator, if you type this in your calculator, you type that in your calculator on two different lines. So type this and hit enter, and it gives you a number. And then type this and hit enter, and it gives you a number. Those numbers will be exactly the same. It's pretty cool. So it works out. So it's a way you can kind of check as you go, which is why you will not be able to use calculators on this, because that will tell you all the answers whether they're right or not. Let's look at number 16. Same instructions, log base 7 of x plus log base 7 of y. Let me see if I get this in one line. Log base 7 of x plus log base 7 of y minus log base 7z. Beautiful. Go ahead and try that. Okay, you can go ahead and jump right to your answer. Let's do log base 7. The addition, those are positive, and there's addition there. So the addition means it's going to be in the numerator. The subtraction means we're going to divide by what's after it. So this is going to be xy over z. So basically, anything with a negative in front of it is going to be in the denominator. Anything with a positive in front of it is going to be in the numerator. That's pretty cool. Next, we're going to try number 18. Great, now I got to circle them all. Now I circled 18. The instructions for 18 are expand. Log of x to the third, y to the fifth. And expand that out. So this is the opposite of what we did above. You're going to use more than one logarithm. Go ahead and try that out. Okay, we're doing the opposite here. So this multiplication in between here is going to become addition. That's going to be step 1. And in order to write as addition, I need to now write two different logarithms. Okay? Now the next step is to, I have this 3 here, write it as a coefficient. So this is your final answer is going to be 3 log x plus 5 log y. And once we're used to doing this, just going from here to here will be acceptable. You won't need to write out that intermediate step because, well, it's not too much of a stretch to, instead of writing the exponent, just put it out front. Last one, number 30. Log base 2 of 9, use your calculator, use the change of base formula. And I'm not going to give you the answer, but I will say that 2 to the third power is 8, so this is probably going to be a little bit more than 3. So if you do it right, you go to a number a little bit more than 3. Go ahead and pause this for a second, but I'm not giving you the answer. All right, go and do your 3 questions. Okay. 9 through 32, no repeats. I guess I can say 10 through 32. No repeats. I don't know what that letter is. No repeats. So, if you go to a number like 16, 18, or 30, don't do those ones again. Unless you want to. 10 through 32, no repeats. Have a lovely evening.